Hello everyone, welcome to another video tutorial. Today I will show you how to delete copied messages in WhatsApp. So whenever you go and whenever you copy a message and you want to delete that message within your mobile phone, you can do that. So basically this is what you want to do. You want to clear clipboard on Android. So clipboard is basically once you copy, right? The message, it will be in your clipboard, which is right here. So once you click on that clipboard, you can actually go, and as you can see, you can click on the message that you want to delete, and you can delete it, you can paste it, or you can pin it. So this is pretty much what you will need to do. You will need to clear your clipboard, and this is, as you can see, right here on your clipboard, you will have a pencil icon. And once you click on that pencil icon, you'll be able to manage the entire clipboard, and you'll be able to delete certain messages and you will be able to paste certain messages, right? So whatever you want. So this is basically how you can delete copy messages in WhatsApp. So obviously the best alternative clipboard managers for Android is, for example, Clipper. This is also an app that manages your messages that you copied, so you can also delete messages through Clipper as well. So that's pretty much what you can do. If you have any questions or maybe comments, you can comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.